What's up, my people? How you doing tonight? Huh? Tell you what, I've been thinking. You know, I've given you some links to get a computer. I've given you some links to get free phones. But let's tie it all together. So, let's say you got your free phone. Okay? Let's say you even got your free computer. And, you just said, Dalton, I'm just kind of tired of using my hotspot on my phone just so I can connect to a computer. I wish I had a steady internet connection for my home or my apartment, wherever you may be. Well, if you're low income, I got some news for you. There's some that is free, but then there's some that is low as between $5 up to $10 a month. Cause I understand being on the budget, and you don't have to be dirt poor to be on a budget. You're just watching your money sometimes, and if you qualify, and it'll show you what to qualify. If you get food stamps, and you don't have to get food stamps. If your income meets what they're asking, and a lot of times people's income meet with what they're asking, and they don't even know that it meets it, then you qualify. Okay. And I have been telling you that this is something I've been wanting to do for you for a while. Okay, and it is something I've been wanting to do. I wanted to give you those links. Okay, and when I have knowledge like this that has helped me, I like to give it to you. Alright, because I want to help you, and then I want you to help other people. Okay, and these particular links for low income internet service I will put in the description box below, like most of my stuff. Okay, just look for it, and it'll click you right there to it, where you can just start applying for it. Okay, and I always suggest to people, don't just apply for one, apply for two. Okay, just in case one of them say, well, you don't meet our requirements, another one might, another one might say, yeah, you're in. Just like it's a numbers game sometimes, just like a job. Okay, everything that I give you is straight above, straight up above board. Okay, it's all legal, and that's why I give you the link, so you can look at the details and see if you qualify. And even if you don't need it, you may just know someone else that needs it. Okay, because after a while you might get tired of using that hotspot from your phone to get on the internet. Okay, you want something permanent and stable, and this is the way you can get it. And I will put those links, like I stated, below. Now, this internet for low income is it's one of the best. Now, you're not gonna get like the high speed gaming internet speeds. Oh, I'm a gamer, I want the high speed. No, but the speeds are good. The speeds allow you to do some streaming, but it definitely allows you to check your email, send out resumes, get emails, send emails, and do a lot of the basic things you need. Even update your computer and download stuff. And there's some light games that you probably can play as too. Like on Steam. So it gives you the power to take it to the next level if you need to. Okay. One thing about having an internet connection in your house is that you have the accessibilities to another aspect of the world, in which it gives you more power. Matter of fact, let's say if you can even do a work at home job, because most of the speeds that that you'll be paying for qualifies for working at home. Yes. So therefore, you're paying $5 or $10 a month. You can get a work at home job. Okay. But now note that you get a work at home job. Let's say you get a work at home job from Apple. Okay. And you're working full time. Apple usually pays, most Apple jobs that work at home for beginners, okay, pay from $13 to $15 an hour. So it may change some things, You may no longer be considered low end. Qualified for certain things, but there's a lot of jobs that do fall in the range in which you'll still be considered able to get food stamps and get a decent, $10 an hour, working from home, part-time, and some of them are full-time. Okay, and one of the best sites to look for work at home jobs is called Indeed.com. Okay, that's INDEED.com. Okay, and they're really, really good. So let's say you get yourself hooked up, you got your internet. The only thing I tell you, once you get your internet, be disciplined. Okay, because the first 3 days, if you haven't had internet at home for a while, first 3 days you're gonna lose your mind. I'll tell you that much. Look at all this other stuff. Be able to go to Facebook and all that other stuff, chatting people up. But then, just after that, the first 3 days, gain that discipline. Because remember, what you're trying to do is better yourself and help others better themselves. So therefore, you want to start looking for that online job, looking for that job, or getting a job that you can work from home, because now you got internet. And there's a lot of jobs that's all you need. If you got the internet, and it's not really a high requirement internet either. It's like I said, the low income internet that I will show you usually is a requirement that they ask you to have for a work at home job. Okay, part-time and full-time. All right, and even for example, you get it, and you get the tier 1 job, which is beginning level job. Okay, and it's not hard to get to work in tech support for Apple. Let's say that, for instance. Okay, then at that point, for Apple sends you out the computer, and there's a lot of jobs out there work at home that will literally send you out a computer with their stuff on it that you can use, or they'll send you a USB with all their software and stuff on that, where you just plug it in and your system boots into it, and you can work at home from that USB. And when you're done, you log out of work and you take the USB out. Just that simple. Okay, so there's options, there's jobs, and there's money to be had. So I wanted to give you this opportunity. I wanted to give you this information. I've been wanting to give you this for a while, and as you know, I try to get everything out in time, and I also try to get everything out in moderations. Okay, because I believe, it's a weird saying, but I believe the best way to eat a pizza, as they say, the best way is piece by piece, not the whole thing at one time. So let's say you got your phone, cool. Now you got access on your phone to go to the web. You can get your computer. You got your computer, cool. Now we got the internet. Boom. See how that's working? You're stepping up, little by little. You're stepping up, and that's what we want. Okay, so enough of me blabbing along. I'm going to drop the links below, so therefore you can click on them, whether you're on a phone or you're on a computer. Alright, and then they will take you to wherever you need to fill out an application. Most of it you do right online. You just type out your information. And if they need more from you, they'll send you like a letter in your mail where you can, with the self-addressed envelope, so you can just copy whatever information they need and put it in there and send it back to them, and then get yourself hooked up. So I am so happy to bring this to you. I've been wanting to bring this to you a while, but it's kind of like sometimes when you have so much information uh, through your life that you've learned, you have to give it to people and give it out in bits, because if you try to do it all at one time, you become frustrated and say, "Oh, forget it." Okay, it's the same thing to eating a pizza. You eat the whole pizza at one time, you're gonna choke to death. Piece by piece, you're gonna have a very enjoyable experience. All right, and I'll wrap to you later. Right, as I always say, please subscribe, comment, and give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Either way, you're cool with me. All right, but please, if you know other people that need this help, share it with them. Okay, because sometimes it's time to drop the ego if you know you need help, and get that help and get it done. Okay, I mean, you know, as my mom always told me, getting to the top is not the hard part. Staying on top, that's the hard part. Okay, all right. Thank you for all my viewers, my subscribers, and you all know you are. I want to do a special shout out to three main people. They know who they are. I want to do a special shout out to Ann. I want to do a special shout out to Jamie Zebra 23 and her website, jamiezebra23.com, as well as I want to give a special shout out to Robin. He knows who he is. All right, and I will rap to y'all later. Peace.